Alright, y'all. Do a quick tutorial. Gram free. 3 steps. Step number 1. Go ahead and go to the dashboard. It's time to roll. Get your free roll. It'll pop up your name to the left, let you know that it was authentic. Bam, there goes my name. Got mine. Then you go down to your smart contracts. Sign your contracts. Make sure to do this on a daily. And you're going to watch your bar go up. And after you do your contracts, I got a couple more. I'm only at level 6, but I've only been doing this for a little bit. So I'm going to stick with it, because what I'm going to show you next is right here. When you go to the videos, you'll have 5 videos. And these are all people that are showing proof of payment. And they're all about a minute long, so I'm not going to make you sit here and go through it, but you click on all 5. It'll be a YouTube video. They're showing their proof of payment. Cash out 500 grams is 1,000 US dollars. So once your timer goes down, see that up there? Timer goes down, click on this one. If the timer go down, click on this one. Then this one, then this one. And then you're done for the day. I set a timer on my phone for 60 minutes because every hour you can get another free roll. And after you hit 500 grams, that's 1,000 free US dollars. Come join me in Gram Free. Link is in the description. One love, stay blessed, stay safe.